All right, welcome everyone to another weekly team call where every Monday night we get together. We talk about Xanthomist, Glutamist, the CTFO products and business opportunity. And tonight we're going to talk about My Power System. This is a system. We've been a systems team for decades and decades, and systems duplicate. People don't always duplicate, systems do. And of course, the number one thing that people ask when they're trying to get started is, who do I talk to? What do I say? What do I send them? And we're making that simpler than it ever has been before. So I'm going to show you the kind of whole, all new reorganized My Power System. So to take a look, we're going to go to mypowersystem.com, and you'll see new members sign up for the CTFO app. Make sure that new members sign up with the CTFO app. It gives you the CTFO group code and all CTFO resources and nothing else. Of course, there's also a My Power System generic app. If you happen to have a friend who really likes the idea of getting a business card, but they're not in CTFO and that's all they want, you can actually get a generic app just for the business card features. So that's why I have that there. But for all of us, we're going to get the CTFO app. We're going to click there. And we're going to actually be able to get an app and sign up for free. No credit card required. And there are some free resources. And I'm going to show you those resources in just a moment. The other thing is current members log in. So if we go there, we're going to be able to go to the login screen. It's kind of a new look. And then down here, I just want to alert you to the CTFO members. If you are using any other Rapid Funnel app, add the CTFO group code, and it will simply add the group code to your existing app. And then you'll be able to use it for whatever you're currently using it for, as well as with CTFO. And of course, if you want the My Power System group code as well, so that you can get generic industry resources, you're welcome to do it. But I would just say CTFO app only to start with. We're just going to go here. We're going to sign up, and then we're going to get just the CTFO app. So let's take a look at that. CTFO members log in. I'm going to log in. Oh, I don't want to log into that because that is the admin. I'm going to log into my account. I'm going to go to Collie@powerplayers.com, which is my personal app. And we're going to take a look at the all new organized system. So let's take a look at resources, and we're going to look at it in the category view. And we're going to see it's very simple now. Share the products. How do we share the products? What do I send? Well, we go to, first of all, step one, invite. So a lot of people just send resources, and you can get blocked and be able to be put on a spammer block list, the whole domain, and from even being able to send any resources. So we want to invite people first. So the invite script, and we're going to put a couple of additional scripts in here. This one here is just about reverse aging, so we'll preview it. What we're going to do is we're going to send this first to your prospect. Well, you can see what it looks like on the phone, which we'll get to in just a moment. I don't know why it looks like that online, but it basically invites them to I'd like to send you a video. It's basically permission marketing. It's getting their permission. Now they're going to go into your contacts, and the system is going to recognize them as somebody that you can send resources to. So we want to do the invite first. All right. Then once we do that and they say yes, and we're going to pique their interest, and we've got the Glutamist video and the Xanthomist video to do that. So that's great. Now we want to present the products, and we've got such a great video to present the products with right now. It is a new video from a new dynamic woman, Beth Johnston. She does these BEP talks, and I'm just going to give you a little peek at what this looks like right now. It's a little bit longer because we are in present, and this is present where she really talks a lot about this product and why she absolutely feels compelled to share it. She is a social media influencer with a large following with baby boomers. And she has been sharing all kinds of things to help baby boomers, retirement planning, Medicare, all the things, but never a product until she tried Glutamist and Xanthomist, a combination of the two. And so this is like an infomercial. And believe me, it sells. So you want to take a look at that video. I'm not going to go through right now because it's like 27 minutes long, but that's there, and that's the present. Now, if we're in share the opportunity, same thing. We've got step one is invite. We're going to send them a little, can I get your opinion? It's the opinion approach. And we're going to ask them, a very successful friend of mine we're starting a project together, and I'd really like to get your opinion about it. Can I send you a quick video? So what it asks. Both of them say that. The other one does too on the product. All right, we got their permission. Now we want to pique their interest. And so right now we have this company tour with Kevin Fournier. I want you to know that there are two very powerful videos that are going to be put in this section that are just absolutely incredible to pique your interest about the opportunity. And then present. So currently with present, we've got two options. We have the presentation that I did, and then we've got the presentation that Stuart Finger does. And they're, pick one. Stuart is a male and an industry veteran and a CEO of the company. And of course, I am a leader and a woman. And so what do you think is the best one? We will put other present videos in here as well, but we'll pick one for the presentation. So once we've led with either the product or the business, now it's time for us to follow up. So we're going to go into the follow-up. What are we going to follow up on? The opportunity. Here's some follow-up for the opportunity. Show me the money. This is a 6-minute compensation plan overview. This is the cruise flyer. We're still in a competition for a cruise right now, and there's still time for anybody to win. So maybe you want to send that to somebody. Or we're following up on the product. We've got some additional things to follow up on the product here. The two I want to call your attention to is the glutamist report and the xanthomist report, because one of the things that we do if we're doing a trade show or marketing or, whatever, we just say, what, let me send you my business card. Take a look at xanthomist. And if you fill out the form, I'll send you a xanthomist report about mangosteen. And people do it. They'll fill out whatever it is you ask them to do, get their permission. You send them the invite, then you send them the peek in video, and then we're going to send them a report as a follow-up. So there's some great stuff, videos with Dr. Templeman, with David D'Arcangelo, the video. This one's kind of fun if you haven't already seen this one. I'll just take you to it real quick. It's only 25 seconds.
10 years ago, I started a clinic here in Las Vegas, and we were doing IV glutathione injections because that's the only way you could do it. And unfortunately, because of the cost, it was $1,000 for people. Now, literally everyone can get glutathione.
So these are just some, give some ideas of little short things to send as a follow-up to people, depending on what their experience is. Dr. Templeman's product experience. We're going to have more product experiences in here. And what we'll probably do is we will have those, a section called product experience on the follow-up. All right, the next is enroll. So now we've done that, we're ready to enroll. Do I want to enroll a business builder or a customer? So if I've got somebody that just wants to get the product, I can send them my xanthomist product site or my glutamist product site so that they can go there and sign up and get the product. Or if they're a business builder, I can send them the xanthomist business website or just my personal replicate website. So those are our options there. Social. So these are things that we're going to share for social. And we've got some great custom pages, call them lead capture pages, landing pages. These are pages that these are really great to send people. And you can also put them on your social media for people to fill out and tell them you take a look. But let's look at Ready, Set, Go. There's actually a system that's going to be launching soon with the company. And there'll be some different versions of it, really, because I think the one launching for the company is strictly glutathione. But if we want to do the dynamic duo, then we've got a page all ready to go here. So let's just take a look at this one, the dynamic duo. This one is ready. It's the glutamist video set. This one is being replaced. There's a video that Stuart is working on right now and another video that we're working on as well. That is just incredible, made with artificial intelligence from our own Skylar Butler with Clicked Creations. And then click here to launch your business today. So it's just ready. Watch the quick product video, set the presentation, and then go launch your business. And where does that take you? It takes you to your own personal replicate website, except for oh, there it is. Okay. And then your information is down at the bottom. So that whatever you've got filled out on your site is what's going to be there with your phone number, with your email. And then if you've got social media links, you're going to set it up in your account. If you don't, then you won't have anything showing here. You won't have Book Me unless you've set up a booking service like Calendly or something like that. So those are just some of the things, but I want to show you a couple of things. Let's just look. Download from the App Store. When you do that, you're going to put the group code CTFO. We're going to set up our business card. And how do we do that? First of all, in settings, when we sign up, in our settings, we're going to put our associate ID, our associate website name. That's how the button to your replicate website knows where to go. It'll go to your website if you put in your website name. Don't put in your entire URL. Don't put in .myctfo.com. Just put in your unique name. And it explains that when you're setting up the app. And a profile picture, social media links if you have them. Whatever else it is that you want, you're going to click save. And once you do that, then you're going to see a business card. And now we're going to either go to settings or resources in the future if you want to edit it, and click on manage business card. Now we have added some resources, so you may want to update your business card. If you do, you're going to go to resources, make sure you're in the category view, and go to manage business card. So all we're going to do, it tells you what to do. You're going to enter, edit your details, and click your add buttons below. So below your business card, this stuff will populate automatically. It's going to have your phone number and your email and all that. Follow me on any social media links you might have. And underneath that are buttons that you can put whatever it is that you want in your button. So I'm going to give you an example. Here's a free version of the card. So there is a free version and there is a pro version. If I got the free version, these are the resources that are available to me. The Xanthomist video, the Glutamist video, the Dynamic Duo. And I love this because you just say, watch the Xanthomist video, then watch the Glutamist video, then the Dynamic Duo. That's a 27-minute video with Beth Johnston that talks about how excited she is about these two products, the results that she's personally experienced, which are just incredible, and to buy them, 60-day money-back guarantee. So after you watch that, then you want to buy now, right? You want to learn more or buy now. So that's available there, as well as a link to the team support site and Ready, Set, Go. This is in the free version. This is all anybody really needs. So anybody right now can sign up, get started today, and start sending out this card right here to people. Now, what about other resources? Well, then you'd want the pro. So I'm just going to show you some examples of the lead capture pages. We just showed you one of them. Here's the CEO tour of products opportunity, very popular. It's Xanthomist, Glutamist, and then the Stuart Finger presentation. The Dynamic Duo is really exciting. I just love this amazing. Here we are. It's the Xanthomist, the Glutamist, and then it's the BEP Talk with Beth Johnston as she explains. This is like one page that you can send people and just tell them, check out these videos. And then again, when they click start their journey, it's going to take you to your personal replicate website to sign up and get product. How simple can this possibly be? I don't think we can make this any simpler. Here's some examples of some great resources. These here resources that are free with the app, if you want to see, here's what they're named, here's what the resource number is, here's what it links to, and you can just click right on each link and see what it is. So you can see exactly what it is and you can watch it and you'll know. This will really make it easy for you to set up your business card. If you're confused, you're not sure what something is called, if you put the resource number in, it'll just pop it right up, but these are the free ones. And then down here, we've got premium. We've got more than this being added, but we do have, those, the Glutamist and Xanthomist reports, which are great. People love free stuff. So you offer them the free report. If they fill out, they watch those videos, right? Then you'll send them the free report. So lots of great stuff. There's right here, it tells you the L's are links, the V's are videos, the P is a PDF, and S is social pages, which are like lead capture or landing pages. All right, if that's not enough for you, the Rapid Funnel support and training is here. If we go to this page here, there are tutorials on everything. There's your new user training. Make sure that you watch that. It's going to tell you, some people will call me up and say, I can't figure it out. Well, if once they watch this, every question they have when they tell me something is like, did you watch the video? No. So this will tell you how to download the app, how to do the group code, how to do your settings, how to enter all your information. It's right there. And then here is a playlist of individual tutorials. It'll tell you things like how to create an account, and add a group code, how to send a resource to a contact, how to add a contact, how to use your digital business card, how to use the hot prospect list, because our activity is actually rated. And then more Rapid Funnel resources. These are all articles on all the things that the tutorial videos do. I'm a reader. Some people like to watch videos. So whatever you need, it's all right here. It's just pretty simple. Logging in. So this is going to take us to our new login experience. And now it's going to show you the new app in the way that it's been set up. So I'm going to show you a couple new things that we've added here. You're going to see there's a current contest going on right now, which is really exciting. So on the main screen here, it's going to bring up your exposures, your engagements this month, this week, our tasks for today, our resources that are in the app. Campaigns, we've added a campaign, or we're in the process of adding it. We've got it started. Our current contest. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to see contacts, you're going to see resources, you're going to see coaching, and then you're going to see the more with the 3 little dots. So I'm going to take you, first of all, I'm going to take you down to the resources. We're going to click on that. And it tells us if you'd like the app to track the resources you send to people, create the contact in your app first, and then send them the resources through the contact details page. So we're going to say, got it. You could click, don't show this to me again, but I like it there because if I'm showing the app, I want it to be seen. All right. So now the very top thing on your, you'll see is, well, first of all the way up here, you'll see company. These are the company resources that are in this app. Over here, personal, if you click on that, you can add personal resources, unlimited numbers if you have the paid version. By the way, it's $15 a month or $150 a year, which takes it down to like $12 and change a month. So I highly recommend you get the premium version, they call it. And you can add your own resources too to the app that you can send. There's your business card right underneath. So let's just take a look at it. If I want to send it, I'm going to check this little box right here, and then I could send it out to somebody. And then it gives me email, text, or social sharing options. But I'm going to uncheck that box because I'm not going to send it. What I'm going to do is click on the card here so you can take a look at it. So this is what my card looks like. You cannot edit your business card on your phone. You can edit it on the desktop version. But you'll see in my app, this is when I meet somebody, I always get their info. And there's different ways to do it. What I like to do is ask them for their phone number. When they give it to me, I enter it and then I send them my business card. They get it. I see that they got it. So as soon as they do, I show them how to save my contact. But getting them in the app first, sometimes they won't get that if I haven't sent them anything before, unless I actually put them in my phone first as a contact before I can send it. So there's just, again, we're in a day and age where people ruin it for us with spam. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, I want you to see select language. If I wanted to send my business card to somebody in Spain, somebody in China, somebody in Germany, I can just change the language and I could go to Spanish, and then boom, my entire card now is all in Spanish. So I can put it in Spanish first before I even send it, or I just tell them to change the language, and there's all the information here. This just is making it so easy. So now I'm going to go back to the original. It's all in English. So what I've done is I've got my personal contact info. Again, I've got my links to my social stuff, and then I like the dynamic duo. And then of course, order glutamist, learn about xanthoma, show me the money. We can change these. There's new stuff in here now that I'm actually going to be updating my card, and I hadn't done that yet, but just great stuff. It's right there. All right. But under that, let's just look at how simple. Share the products. I want to share the product. What do I do? Well, first I need to invite you to, and now you'll be able to see what this actually looks like. Improve message delivery, avoid sending multiple text messages containing links within a short time frame. It looks like spam. That's why we're trying to be very careful so that your content gets delivered. Send texts that encourage two-way communication by asking questions and encouraging a reply. Your mobile provider will block your text messages if the above recommendations are not followed. And there's learn more links. So you can click on that and you can learn more. It'll just take you to Google and it'll explain, stop blocking my texts, and explain how and why this is a thing. I'm going to leave. I'm not going to check the don't show it to me again because I want to be able to show it on another time. So I understand. So now this is what that text would look like. I'm going to send it to somebody and it says, hi, and it'll put their name in. just came across a product that I really wanted to share with you to get your opinion. Can I send you a quick video? So I'm going to get, usually with my business card, I'm going to send this to them first. They're going to say, yeah, sure, love to see it. And I'm going to do that while I'm just right there with them. And then once I've done that, now I can go ahead and go to the peak and I can send them a peak video. Was it on Glutamist? Was it on Xanthomist? And then present, I'm going to do the dynamic duo because no matter which one I led with, I want them to learn about both. So that is, again, share the opportunity. We just went through all these on the desktop, but they're very simple. The follow-up, the enroll with the links, the social. I love the social. And my favorite ones here are the dynamic duo is probably my favorite one right now if I'm sharing the product. And the ready, set, go will be my favorite for sharing the business. Of course, team support is going to give you information on Life as It Could Be links. You can send people directly there. The product experiences will take you to a product experience page on the site with mangosteen experiences that are all alphabetized because people are always asking, can I help with this and that? Always with the disclaimer, there's a disclaimer on the site. These are people's experiences that they've shared. So if they're helpful for you, they're kind of hidden a little bit. We do have some Spanish resources. So really all we have are the peak videos right now, but we've got some more coming. So that's what we have under personal. If you've got personal resources and you'll be able to add, whatever it is that you want, maybe something unique to a website that you want people to go to. So that's there. We're going to go to more with the 3 little dots. And we're going to look at contests. And I'm going to show you the contests that we have currently going on right now. So we have a couple of them. This one is about sharing the products or the opportunity. This one is about all engagements. So from now until April 9th, April 9th is the cruise deadline. So I want to help you do whatever we can to get as many people to take a look at these products, to take a look at this business, see how many points you can get. And so the top 5 point earners who share the most resources with the most engagement are going to earn some free products. So it'll explain all of that. And then there's the leaderboard. Oh, Sandy Cohen, of course, she's going to be up there on that leaderboard. She didn't even know there was a contest. So there is another contest I just added, but I think because I just added it, I'll have to go to the desktop. Oh, no, here it is. Maybe. I just added a new one. Okay, we're good. Oh, here it is. Here's this contest. Invite to Power Night. Oh, that's the wrong one. All right, let me go to more. I'm going to get to events, so I'll show it to you this way. Under events, we now have the event calendar works best when you have filled out your address information in your profile. Please update your profile information. Okay, got it. So we're going to see that on Tuesday nights, and it looks like another thing, it's going to take a minute to update. So with that, I am going to check on anything else here in the app that I wanted. Anytime you have a problem, all you have to do is click on this support with the question mark. It'll take you through questions and answers, and then you can even submit a support ticket if there was a problem and there's something that you need. But when you go through this, generally, it's like, what do I have a problem with? It'll tell you whatever it is. There's the articles, and if you can't figure it out, then you can always do a support ticket. All right, here we go. So I'm going to take you into my power system and show you under events. So here under events, we've got 2 events now listed on the event calendar every Tuesday night, our CTFO business opportunity. So now in your own app, you can click on that event. It'll be updated in the app soon. I literally just added it a few minutes ago. You'll be able to see, and you can join event. It's going to take you to the link right to ctfowebinar.com. So you don't have to worry about not being able to find it. And you can add it to your calendar. So it'll be right on your calendar with the link to join, and it'll give you reminders if you ask for reminders. So we are really making events really simple. The other thing about the events, though, is I put an RSVP goal for 10. You can now invite people. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can email it, copy the link and send a text, and you can actually invite the person, put in their email. I could do it by text if I was on my phone doing this, and it'll tell you my power system is inviting you to this event, CTFO business opportunity. There's the link, click the link, above an RSVP to, okay, so how do I RSVP? If I sent this to you and you clicked on the link, this is what it would look like. And it's going to come up with this really nice CTFO business opportunity, all the information, all the stuff. And you just tell them, make sure you RSVP. I'll be there. If you get 10 or more, you're going to be in the running for a contest again for more free product. And we're going to do this for both events, for the Thursday night event as well as the Tuesday night. So we've got this one for every Tuesday night for our opportunity. And then we have every Thursday night for our product training. And we have the same thing there. You can add it to your calendar. You can join the event there. We have RSVP goals. We invite people, and when they get it, we just tell them to make sure they click, I'll be there. And then guess what happens? They'll get a reminder about the call coming. So you can be inviting tonight for tomorrow night's call and say, make sure you RSVP. Then they'll get a message that says, yes, the call's starting, and to be on it. Folks, we're making this as simple as we can. Scan this QR code and you'll get the right one. It looks like this. It's green. The reason why you see so many is Rapid Funnel private labels apps for many different companies. That company in the chat, whatever it is one of them. And so you'll see all the different apps and you'll see powered by Rapid Funnel, powered by Rapid Funnel. But when you just put in Rapid Funnel, you'll see other apps that are powered by Rapid Funnel. So make sure you only go to the one that says Rapid Funnel. It's in the green like this. And to be sure you get the right one, just click on the QR code and you will. Otherwise, you're going to be getting another branded app. And by the way, it's possible that when we get to the right users and stuff, we'll have our own branded app as well, where it'll come up and make it even easier, not have to put in the group code. But for right now, we need to put in the group code. All right, let's see. There was one other thing, I think. Are you limited to only 5 on the free version? And it's actually 6, so I added another one. But that's, as an admin, I can make 6 of the resources free. And I picked the 6 I thought were the hottest ones. So I'm on the pro, but wanted to get clarity on this for your team. So the free version, just for to be very, very clear, these are what you get for free. You get these resources. You can click on each one to see what it is. These top 3 are landing pages. The CEO tour of the product and biz is the Glutamist video with Stuart Finger's presentation. This one is the Xanthomist, Glutamist, and the BEP talk with Beth Johnston. And this one, the 3-step tour, this is my opportunity presentation, but it's Glutamist, and then my presentation, and then the compensation plan, the 6-minute comp plan video. So if you're trying to share with a networker, this might be the best one because it's got the comp plan in it. If you're trying to share just the product, I would absolutely do the dynamic duo. And if you're trying to share products and business without the comp plan, then it's this top one. So those are 3 different lead capture pages that you can put on your business card, along with your replicate website, along with the Glutamist and the Xanthomist product videos by themselves. And the Ready, Set, Go will be added to this and probably take the place of this one as soon as we have those other videos. All right. I think we got all the questions answered. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Thank you everyone for joining us here again this evening. Play around with it. I want to just make sure again that everybody remembers, log out. Maybe you want to delete your app altogether because your account won't be deleted, and then download it again. If for those of you, it's been a long time since you've used the app or you've used an old app, delete it altogether and then re-download it so you get a nice fresh, it'll also update the software and all of that good stuff. Re-download it, re-sign in, and then take a look at each of the ones. And Tom says there's a lot more categories. Yes, but there's a lot, the resources are better. Under each of those categories now is one thing or 2 things, making it very simple. And we put those categories in at the request of this team, who's absolute Rapid Funnel people are the most professional and experienced at this type of thing. And they said, instead of having a few categories that have a lot of resources in them, have a lot of categories that make it very simple to understand what's in there and what the flow should be. So we've got step 1, 2, and 3 under opportunity, step 1, 2, and 3 under product. We've got follow-up broken down with follow-up resources for product resources for video, for opportunity. So it's as simple can be. We'd love to get your feedback though as well, so that we constant never-ending improvement. There's also some additional things that are coming, things that are available in the app that require some additional financial resources on our part to be able to offer and put into the system that we're excited about. But I'm excited about where we're at right now. And I want to just say there's a contest going on, folks. If you don't understand what that means, 2 of them. Invite people and ask them to RSVP. I want to challenge everyone right now to send out an invitation for tomorrow night's call to 10 people tonight before you go to bed. And remember, they got to be in your contacts first. We don't want to be sending resources out to people that and just spamming them. Don't send out resources and copy and paste to 50, 100 people at a time. We don't want to lose our app. We also don't want to be blocked and put on a spam list, because then you won't be able to text anyone anything. All right. Thanks everybody for joining us. Thank you, Tom. And we'll see everybody next week on the next team call. Bye, everyone.